Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power, unplug the unit or turn off the dedicated breaker, and confirm the light stays off. Once done, protect your hands with gloves and your eyes with goggles, and let the lamp cool for 15-30 minutes so you won't burn yourself. Next, remove the turntable or the vent/outer cover to expose the bulb housing. Depending on model, there may be 1 to 4 screws. Make sure you have a screwdriver and replacement bulb rated for your microwave. You'll now remove the cover by unscrewing or unclipping it. Keep those screws safe in a small container. Once the housing is open, observe how the bulb sits. Twist socket bulbs turn counterclockwise, bayonet or push-fit bulbs pull straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb and compare it to the replacement to confirm wattage and base type. Then insert the new bulb in the same orientation, gently secure it, and reattach the cover. Make sure the seal sits flush and screws are snug, not over-tightened. Once the new bulb is in and the cover is secured, reassemble any panels and put the turntable back in place. Reconnect power, plug in or flip the breaker, and test the light and basic microwave functions at low power for 30-60 seconds. Make sure the bulb comes on and there are no unusual noises or smells. If the light doesn't work, first unplug and recheck the bulb seating and screws. If it still fails, verify the breaker and wiring, and consider consulting the manual or a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.